How we doing, RVers? Veurink here at Veurink's RV Center here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the 2023 Venture Sporttrek Touring 302 VRB. This is a 33-foot couples coach running at about 7,500 pounds. We are a Venture dealer here in Grand Rapids and Newaygo, so come check us out here at Veurink's RV Center. So we'll start here in the front. Couple key features on the outside. So starting in the front, you got your power tongue jack up there. You got two 30-pound LP tanks gonna sit right under that cover there. Your battery is gonna sit down there as well with a battery disconnect switch down there as well. You'll have your front automotive windshield up there giving you that cool look going down the road. Down along this side, you're gonna have your fully finished pass-through storage. A nice light in there just in case you need to grab something when it's nighttime, giving you the light down there. You'll have stabilizer jacks in all four corners. Those are gonna be automatic, so you'll just be able to do that with just the press of a button right there. Moving your way down this way just a little bit. So you got your frameless windows all around the side here. Then you get your 20-foot power awning. Moving down here just a little bit more, you get your exterior kitchen, which is a super cool feature to have on something like this. You're gonna get a griddle top right here. You're gonna get a mini fridge for any drinks on the outside. Stainless steel sink back here as well. Cool feature we have on the back here is you're gonna actually get a ladder on this. So that's just gonna help with exterior maintenance on your roof, making sure you're checking all the seals, doing all the maintenance you need to do throughout the year. And so that's just a couple features on the outside. Let's go check out the inside. All right, guys, starting in the inside of this Venture Sporttrek Touring 302 VRB, we're gonna start in the front side here. So this will be your front bedroom here. You're gonna get a nice upgraded mattress. This bed's gonna also be on a slide out, so giving you that extra floor space down below here. You'll have a front window seat, so good spot for watching the sunsets, watching the sun come up, anything like that. You're gonna get a bunch of storage throughout, so bunch of overhead storage here. Along this side, you're gonna get some wardrobe space, and then as well as some overhead storage on top of that bed there. Over on this side, you're gonna get your fireplace, some more drawers, more storage all around that. And this will just be just enough heat to take that chill off in the morning, so it'll be about 5,000 BTUs. All right, guys, moving down to the kitchen area, you're gonna get your stainless steel sink, farmhouse style sink with an overhead spout here. You'll get some nice white cabinets all the way throughout. Bunch of cabinet space, storage space. You'll get all Furrion appliances, so you'll get an oven, 3-burner cooktop. You'll get a microwave there as well, and then you'll get your 10 cubic unit fridge with a freezer on top of that as well. Moving down here, you're also going to get just extra storage space. And over on this side, you're going to get your table and chairs rather than a booth dinette, so giving you just extra leg room, more room to spread out. And here's going to be a sofa, just giving you that extra sleeping space. If you guys have a grandkid, any children you want to come along with you, you'll get some more overhead storage above that as well. Across the end here, you're gonna have your entertainment center, so you get a flat screen TV, you get your Bluetooth, AM, FM sound system right there, and then an additional fireplace just down below that as well. Along with that, you're gonna just get more storage all the way throughout, nice and deep, giving you lots of room to store any of your games, anything like that. And then last but not least, we'll go back to the bathroom over here. So you're gonna get foot flush toilet, you'll get a nice large standing shower. You're gonna have that surrounded, so keeping that water in. Nice skylight on top of that shower too, giving you that headroom. And then back in this area right here, you're gonna just get your vanity area, some more cupboard space down below, nice mirror, and then just some hanging wardrobe space. If you have any more clothes or anything, you're getting a nice walk-in closet to put all those. Thank you guys for watching my video here on the Venture Sporttrek Touring 302 VRB. There's a lot of things that we couldn't get into here, but if you guys have any questions, anything you want to know about this RV, I'd love to talk about it. So you can give me a call here at 616-965-9629. Again, that is 616-965-9629. Look forward to hearing from you guys.